When you're having to protect cells, it's quite useful to use the GOTO SPECIAL tool to identify what cells are inputs and what are formulas. So you can see here, this hasn't been set up very nice because I can't really see where are the inputs. If I click here, I see there's an input, but if I click here, there's a formula. Instead of us manually going through each one, what we can do is under Home, find and select GOTO SPECIAL. We've got the GOTO SPECIAL, and what we can say is I want to find all the cells that are constants that perhaps have a number in it. When I say OK, you'll see all of those are highlighted. So what you could do is if I push Control 1, I could go straight in here and unlock them. But just it's best practice as well, just give them a different color so that we know that those are the input cells. So I'm going to change that to blue, but I'm also going to change the protection to be unlocked. And let's say at the same time now we want all the formulas and we need them to be hidden. And we don't want to manually have to go and highlight each of these, particularly in big spreadsheets. So what I can do is Home, find and select GOTO SPECIAL. In this case, I'm going to say find all the formulas that end up as numbers. When I say OK, it highlights all of those. Control 1. Those must be hidden, and it's always good to check that they actually are locked. When I say OK, so we've quite quickly then highlighted all the inputs, unlocked them, highlighted all the formulas, made sure they're hidden and locked. And if we now go and protect the sheet, those can't change, these can change.